Let us do question number 4. In question number 4, you have been given a sum of 3 numbers, 304. Let us do question number 4. In the question number 4, you have to add 3 numbers and you have to estimate or round off the answer to the nearest thousand and to the nearest tens. So in that case, first I have added all the 3 numbers and the answer is, the sum is 5090. Now when rounded off to the nearest tens, rounding off to the nearest tens, which is the closer estimate. So let me write out the number: unit, 10, 100, 1000. So this is the place where I am rounding off. So I am going to check this number. So see, now this number is already 0. So this remains the same. So there is no difference between the rounded off number and the original number in this case. So this is the answer. But when rounded off to the nearest 100, let's see what is going to happen. Rounding off to the nearest 100. 5090. This is the hundreds place. So I'm going to check the right hand side digit. This is 9. So if this is 9, so it's more than 5. So this will increase by 1. So this becomes 1 and the right hand side digits become 0 and the left hand side digits remains the same. So the answer is 5100. In this case, all the other subparts of question number 4, you can first find out the answer of whatever subtraction and addition has been given, and you can round off to the nearest 10 and nearest 100. Now let's move on to the next sum, question number 5. In question number 5, you have to round off each term first and then do the calculations. Let us do question number 5, subpart 2. Five two nine zero plus 17,986. Now in question number 5, you have to round off to the nearest greatest place. That is, which is the greatest place in each case? In this case, the thousands place, and this case the 10,000s place. So I have to estimate each of the terms separately and then find out the sum. In question number 4, we first found out the sum and then we rounded off to the nearest tens and nearest hundreds. But in this question, we will first round off the numbers to its greatest place value. That is, in this number is this position and in this number it is this position, and then we are going to calculate. So let us do the estimation over here. So this is 5, this is the place you are rounding off to. So we are going to check this number. This number is 2, which is less than 5. So if it's less than 5, this remains same and the right hand side digits becomes 0. Let us see in this case. In this case, this is the position we are rounding off to. This is 1. Let us check the digit on the right. So it is 7. So which is more than 5. So if it is more than 5, then what do? We increase by 1. So 1 becomes 2 and the other digits becomes 0. So now you can do the addition. This is 20,000 and this is 5,000. So the answer will be 25,000. So what is the advantage of rounding off each terms? It makes the sum very easy. So we get a rough estimate of the sum. Although this is not the accurate sum, but we get a rough estimate. Let us do question number 5, subpart 4. 28,292 minus 21,496. In this case also you have been asked to round off to its greatest place value and then find the difference. So in these two, both the positions, this is the place you have to round off to because it's the highest place value, the 10,000s place. So in this case, check this number, this digit, this is 8 more than 5, so this will increase by 1, so this becomes 3, and the other digits on the right becomes 0, minus, see this is 2, so this is 1 which is less than 5, so this will remain the same, and the other digits will become 0. So this is 30,000 minus 20,000 will be 10,000, which is a rough estimate of the difference between these two numbers. Let us do question number 6. Question number 6 says, estimate the following products by rounding off each of its factors nearest to its greatest place. 6 of part 1, 578 into 161. So greatest place in both the cases is hundreds place. So this one will become 6. Why? Because this is 7. 7 is more than 5. So this will increase by 1 and the other digits will become 0. This is 1. This is 6. So this is more than 5. So this digit will also increase by 1 and it will become 0. So this one is how much? 120000. That is 1,20,000. So this is again a rough estimate of the product of these two numbers. Now let us find out question number 7, subpart 2. In 7 also we have to estimate the product of two numbers by rounding off each of its factors nearest to its hundreds place. And what are the factors given in 7 subpart 2? 1387 into 888. So here in both the numbers you have to estimate to the nearest 100. So this position, so you have to estimate at this position. Let us check the digit on the right. This is 8, which is more than 5. So if it is more than 5, this digit will increase by 1. So this will become 4. Right hand side digits will become 0 and the left hand side digit will remain the same. Again, unit, 10, 100. So if it is so, this is the hundreds place. So this is the position where it is supposed to change. Let's check this. This is more than 5. So this will increase by 1. So this becomes 900. So 0, 0. See, there are 2 zeros on each of the factors. We are going to put all the 4 zeros and then we are going to multiply. So in this case 14 into 9 will be 126. See, 9 4s are 36, carry 3, 9 1s are 9 and 3 will be 126. So that is 12,60,000. This is the answer. So with this we come to the end of exercise 1.4, and for homework you will be doing a few sums which I will be giving to you soon. Thank you.